Hello, my dear students. Today we can discuss 3 marks question, okay, from vector algebra. So here is the first question. Find the area of a triangle having the points A, B, C. 3 points are given of a triangle, okay. Here using vector method they will ask. In such cases we have to use how we will solve this area. Okay, so here A is given, B is given, C is given. These are position vectors we can write, that is OA vector. It is using the points, write the position vector OA. It is in the place of I plus J plus K, right? Everything is 1. So 1I plus 1J plus 1K. So I plus J plus K. So similarly the position vector OB for this point. You can write I plus 2J plus 3K. Similarly OC. Okay, OC is what? 2I plus 3J plus K. Correct? 2, 3J, K. Okay. Now, for a triangle, to find the area, we need 2 sides. And we will do like half BH here. 2 sides, its measurement into half you will do. So for that measurement, we need 2 sides, right? What is the side AB? AB is actually OB vector minus OA vector. Here first OB, then OA. If we subtract these two position vector, you will get the side AB. So OB is what? I. Okay, I minus I, that is 0. 2 minus, here 1, right? 2 minus 1, that is plus J, 1J. Plus 3 minus 2. Sorry, here 1, right? 3 minus 1, that is 2K. Okay, so this is AB vector. Similarly, we can take another side AC. For a triangle ABC, we are taking AB and AC. Then what is AC? Similarly, like this, we can write OC minus OA, correct? OC minus OA. Here OC minus OA. 2 minus I. Here 1 is there, right? So I, 1I. Plus 3 minus 1, 2J. Here 1 minus 1, 0. Plus 0. So this is the AC vector. Now we got 2 sides. So take the magnitude. And we have to multiply these 2 sides. So area of a triangle can be written as half the magnitude of these 2 vectors, that is AB cross AC. This is the formula. Fine. So we have to find cross product. When we take cross product means we will solve using determinant. Okay. So first find A cross B. That is not A cross B, AB cross AC. Okay. That is like determinant you will take here I, J, K. Then here coefficients, here 0, 1, 2 for AB. Okay. For AC we have 1, 2, 0. Okay. Then just solve like determinants. That is I into this and the skip. 0 into 1, 0, minus 2 into 2, 4, minus J, alternate sign will change. Okay, this and the skip. 0 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 2, 2, plus K. K into this and the skip. 2 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 1, 1. So what you got? You got minus 4I minus minus plus 2J minus k, right? Here minus sign. So minus k. This is what? AB cross AC. We need what? Magnitude. Magnitude means what? Take square root of the coefficients. So AB cross AC. Its magnitude means take square root. Minus 4 square, no need to write, right? So 4 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. It will change as positive sign. So even if we skip this negative sign, no problem. So what is the answer? This is 16 plus 4 plus 1. That is 20 plus 1, 21. So root 21. So what last step remains? Therefore, what is the area? Half into root 21 square units. Clear, students? So this is the area. So this area type questions you can expect. We have already discussed area of parallelogram, that is just this much, no half, right? Yeah. Similarly, for triangle also it is possible to ask. So practice this type area finding problems. So we will check another problem. Okay. Okay. So next type 3-mark question. That is projection is important. Okay. Projection of a vector will be given on vector another vector. So you just need to memorize a formula, that is projection of a vector. If this is an A vector on B vector, then its formula of projection is projection of, assume this is A vector, okay, on B vector, then its formula it will be like this: A dot B. First you have to find the dot product, then take mod B. So A dot B by mod B, this is the formula of projection. Okay, remember this, then it is easy to solve. So first step is we have to take dot product, right? A dot B. For that, write the two given vectors: I plus 3j plus 7k dot other vector 7i minus j plus 8k. So here there is 1, right? 1 into 7, 7. I into I is 1. So no need to write I, j, k. Here only numbers will come. So here plus 3 minus 1. So into, right? So minus 3. Here plus, so plus. We have 7 into 8, that is what? 56. Okay. Now this is, simplify this one. This you will get here 4 plus 56, that is 60. You have got A dot B as 60. Now you need to take modulus. That means magnitude of B vector. B vector is what? This one. Magnitude means take square root. Then coefficient square. 7 square plus 1 square plus 8 square. Here even if there is negative sign, I am directly putting is plus because it will make it plus, right? So if you want, you can put -1 whole square, okay? So on squaring this, what you will get? 7 square, that is 49 plus 1 plus 64, that is it is root 114, okay? Then what is the answer? Therefore, this A dot B by mod B we have to take. That is 60 by root 114. This is the projection of A vector on B vector. Clear, students? Okay. So one more type we can check. Okay, another type question, that is if A vector is a unit vector, that means its value is 1, right? And x minus a dot x plus a is 8. We have to find mod x. So here x minus a dot x plus a is what? Like a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So here x square minus like x dot x, if you want, you like that you can write. That is square minus a dot a square. That is this, you can in mode you can write it as mode x square, its magnitude. A dot a, it is what? Unit vector it is given, so 1 into 1, 1 square, that is 1. And its value it is given as what? It is actually equal to 8. Okay, that is what is now mode x square is what? 8 minus, here will go, it will become plus 1, right? That is 9. Now mode x is what? 3, right? Its magnitude we have to write, so no plus or minus, its modular sign it is there, so directly you can write 3. So mode x vector is, it is what? 3. So it is easy, but this type also can be expected. So another easy question is like this. We have to find the value of lambda and mu if cross product of two vectors is given as what? 0. Okay. Okay, we have to find lambda and mu and the cross is given. So you can solve it using determinants, like determinant I, j, k. So what are the values here? 2, 6, 27. Here 1, lambda, mu. This is actually equal to 0. That is I into what? This and this skipping. You will get 6 mu minus 27 lambda minus j into this and the skipping. You will get 2 mu minus 27 plus k into skipping this 2. You will get 2 lambda minus 6. This is equal to 0. Here any term you can equate to 0. Everything is equal to 0, right? That is here 2 mu minus 27 equal to 0. You will get mu, right? Mu is what? Move in this 27, then this to 27 by 2. Lambda you can solve this. 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2 lambda is 6. Lambda is what? 6 by 2, 3. So like this simple questions also you can expect. So practice similar questions we have discussed, like projection, area finding. Such questions are important. So keep practicing similar type questions. We will next class we can discuss 5 mark question. Okay, till then bye.